Hey everyone, it's Darren here. Got a new batch of championship collection boxes in. Gonna rip into a couple of them here. These two were kind of damaged on the box, but I'm sure the packs will be fine. Let's get into them. Oh, that's right. We're going to go on to the bottom. It's easier to get them out. Put this down just a little. All right. Maybe even move this like that. Yeah. So we got our two fat packs, 2022 Series 1, as usual. And two retail packs of 2022 Series 1, and we got two Stadium Clubs. Kind of like the Stadium Club better than the Allen and Ginter that sometimes you get. Although last time we got an autograph out of Allen and Ginter, so. Alright, let's, no further ado. I'm going to skip base cards. This isn't much for base. It's worth anything. Not much for good rookies in these particular sets anymore. Some of them have potential. Like, well, that's Hae-Sung Kim, but that's a rookie debut. He's been playing pretty well. Really, it's about the parallels. Oh, what do we got here? Brian Hayes. There's a guy with potential. He's been playing better. That's just an insert. This is an all-star game insert. All right, we got a rainbow foil, it looks like. And it's a different story if it's one of those, decent rookies. Here's the Tyler Nevin. And what do we got here? Jeff Hoffman. I never heard of him. Cody Bellinger. Let's see what we got here. 2022 Series 1. Kevin Pillar. We got a Jackson Kowar, 1987 throwback rookie card. Joey Gallo. Jorge Mateo base card. Hunter Renfroe base card. We got a welcome to the show, Willie Mays. Say hey, Willie. Too special there for insert. Fat packs got a little better chance at some parallels or good inserts, or could even get a relic or autograph or something. Patrick Wisdom, Ricky Cup, Eric Hosmer, Mike Moustakas. We got an Alex Reyes retail blue. Garrett Cole. Luis Robert, Stars of the MLB, Yelich. Yeah. Let's get to the inserts here. We got our Remel Tapia, G-Man Choi, Victor Reyes base. We got an Eloy Jimenez generation now. Too special there. Aaron Judge, Stars of the MLB, Jose Ramirez. Man, those are tough. All right. It's always seems like a little more reasonable chance of getting some kind of something decent out of these Stadium Club. We got JT Realmuto, Yordan Alvarez, Alex Gordon, Johnny Bench. That is a red foil parallel That's a funny photo. He's got a red tie on and those balloons. I don't think that that's some kind of photo variation. 244. 244. So no. J.P. Crawford. We got here Cole Calhoun. Looks like we got a chrome there. That's kind of what kind of thing you want to hit out of here. It's a refractor too. Oh, Darren, come on. What are you doing? All right, we're going to slow roll it this way. We got Brady Singer, rookie card. He's all right. I feel like these are two base cards stuck together, but they're not. Justin Turner, that's what I was getting all screwed up on. Joey Bart, rookie card. There's a red foil to Nelson Lamet. All right, we are overdue for some decent black boxes. Let's see. 2018, Series 1. Potent Pair. Miggy and Hose? I don't know. Jeez, I don't know. Carlos Carrasco, Alex Bregman, Future Star, Christian Arroyo, Parker Bridwell, rookie card, Chance Cisco, rookie card, Raisel Iglesias. We got an Eduardo Nunez, Jorge Polanco, Nick Markakis, Irvin Santana, Matt Adams, Martin Prado, Garrett Richards, Ryan Braun. We're still on Series 1. AJ Ramos, Fultonevich, Chris Davis, Mitch Moreland, Aaron Nola, Clayton Kershaw, Anthony Rizzo, Christian Yelich, Martin Maldonado, and Jose Reyes. Oh, that was all 2018 Series 1, but I don't know. Looks like they didn't. Nothing too crazy there. Looks like we got some different stuff in this one. Oh, way to go, Darren. So that was Raisel Iglesias that went flying, so no big deal there. Houston Street. Empty. All right, 2017 Series 1. 17? Yep. Come on. Aaron Judge. Come on. So it's an insert. That's a Wade Davis. That's not gold, is it? No, it's just a color scheme. Jake Smolinski, Adrian Beltre, Zach Duke, Sean Rodriguez, and now, oh boy, Donruss from 2014. Hisashi Iwakuma, Pedro Alvarez, Trevor Bauer, Jordan Zimmerman, Jose Iglesias, Gerardo Pra, Chris Archer, J.J. Hardy, Jonathan Scope. It's a rated rookie. Got a little Allen Ginter here from 2010. Yeah. 2010 Allen Ginter. Snyder, Travis Snyder. Carlos Ruiz. Lind, that's probably Jose Lind. No, Adam Lind. It's Barry Zito. Billy Butler. Delman Young. Donovan. Who's she? Ann Donovan, champion basketball coach and player. Okie dokie. Stewart. Gary Stewart. Pogo stick world record holder. Nice. The Pogo stick world record holder. It's probably his rookie card. Poser. Who's that? Max Poser. World record holder. Most dominoes toppled. All right. Well, I'm getting a little disenchanted with the old championship collection boxes. I don't know. A couple things that are okay in here. You know, we got this chrome refractor of Brady Singer. Not numbered. That's probably about it. And, I mean, there's other cards. You know, I mean, there's other okay cards. But nothing stand-worthy. All right. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.